Hello viewers, welcome to my channel KK Concepts of Poynting Theorem. Poynting Theorem is the direct consequence of the law of conservation of energy. We know that energy is stored in electric field as well as the magnetic field. Now, if the wave is propagating along the x-axis, then Ey is along the y-axis, then Hz is along the z-axis. I'm considering this as an electromagnetic field. Electric energy as well as magnetic energy is stored. I'm considering a small volume of electromagnetic field. There is definite amount of energy stored in it. Simultaneously, there is an inflow of energy into the volume and also dissipation of energy. The rate at which dissipation takes place must be equal to the rate at which stored energy is decreasing plus the rate of inflow of energy. Consider Maxwell's equation that del cross H equals to J plus dou D by dou T. Let both sides dotted with E and E dot del cross H equals to E dot J plus dou D by dou T. Now if you expand this, that's E dot J plus E dot dou D by dou T. Let this be equation number 1. We have vector identity del dot E cross H equals to H dot del cross E minus E dot del cross H. We can write for this then E dot del cross H equals to H dot del cross E minus del dot E cross H. Now I'm substituting this value in equation number 1. Then H dot del cross E minus del dot E cross H equals to E dot J plus E dot dou D by dou T. But we have del cross E equals to minus dou B by dou T. So this is also a Maxwell's equation. To this value in the above equation is this del cross E, which is this. So minus H dou B by dou T minus del dot E cross H equals to E dot J plus E dot dou D by dou T. Del dot E cross H equals to, I'm taking this term other side, then E dot J plus E dot dou D by dou T plus H dou B by dou T. This I'm writing this J dot E plus E dot dou by dou T. I'm substituting the value of D. D is nothing but epsilon E. Similarly, H dot dou by dou T mu H minus del dot E cross H equals to J dot E plus epsilon E dot dou E by dou T plus mu H dot dou H by dou T. Let this be equation number 2. Now we have epsilon E dot dou E by dou T equals to epsilon by 2 dou E square by dou T equals to dou by dou T of epsilon E square divided by 2. Similarly, mu H dot dou H by dou T equals to dou by dou T of mu H square by 2. Now, substituting these values in equation number 2, we are going to get minus del dot E cross H equals to J dot E plus dou by dou T of epsilon E square by 2 plus dou by dou T of H square by 2. That equals to J dot E plus dou by dou T of epsilon E square by 2 plus mu h square by 2. Let this be equation number 3. Now integrating each term of the above equation through the volume, we get minus volume integral of del dot E cross H dV equals to volume integral of J dot E dV plus dou by dou t integral of volume epsilon E square by 2 plus mu H square by 2 of dV. Let this be equation number 4. Applying divergence theorem, volume integral of del dot E cross H dV equals to closed surface integral of E cross H dot ds. Now substituting this in equation number 4, we are going to get minus closed surface integral of E cross H ds equals to volume integral of J dot E dV plus dou by dou t volume integral of epsilon E square by 2 plus mu H square by 2 of dou v. Volume integral of J dot E dV, total instantaneous power dissipated. This term, total instantaneous power dissipated, assuming that there is no source within the volume. Volume epsilon E square by 2 dV, total energy stored in electric field, whereas the volume mu h square by 2 dV is the total energy stored in magnetic field. So in combination of these two, this second term is time rate of change of the total stored energy in the considered volume. So therefore, the sum of the terms is instantaneous power dissipated plus instantaneous power inflow into the volume. Hence, it is the total power flowing into the volume. Now, by the law of conservation, this must be equal to the total power flowing out of the volume. Surface integral E cross H of ds is the total power flowing out of volume. This is a surface integral, and the surface involved is the closed surface enclosing the volume considered. So the vector product of E cross H is Poynting vector denoted by the letter P. So we have P equals to E cross H. The statement of the Poynting theorem: the power dissipation from a given volume which is free of sources is equal to the sum of the rate of the decrease of electric and magnetic energy stored in that volume and the rate of inflow of the energy across the surface enclosing the volume.
If you have any suggestions and queries, please mention in the comments. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. Please stay tuned for more videos.